If your lawn isn't bringing you a lot of joy, then I've got a quick fix that's going to bring a smile to your face. Liquid fertilisers are the fast-acting feeders, partly because they work through the foliage as well as the root system of the grass. You can use this refill pack to top up not only your hose end sprayer, but can also use it in a spray like this or a watering can. But for my money, this is the easiest way to feed your lawn. These microbes are the key to improving soil health, and they do this by working with Mother Nature to strengthen the root system of the grass and to make it more efficient at helping the plant to grow strong and green. This also helps to stress-proof the grass from drought, excess heat and heavy wear. And this formulation goes a lot further than just giving you a quick feed. It contains the famous Seasol seaweed extract, as well as a boatload of cultured Aussie microbes. Just what the doctor ordered to get your lawn into top gear.